everyone, this is the LinuxFam, back with another Linux desktop customization video, and today I will show you how to customize your LinuxMint desktop and make it look aesthetic. So let's start the customization. You have already seen the end results, and I hope you liked it. So the first thing that you'll have to do is get the project file. You can find the link of this project file down in the description of this video. So after you extract the project file, go inside the project file and right-click on an empty space, and click on Open in Terminal, and then type chmod plus xscript.sh. Press Enter, and then type /script.sh, and after that, just type the password, and it's going to start installing all of the packages. All right, now click on this Download Links text file, and then download all of the themes that we're going to be applying on the LinuxMint desktop. So let's go ahead and quickly download the themes. And then get the font and the icon pack as well. And after you have downloaded all of these, open a new window, and then simply extract all of the downloaded themes. And after you have extracted all of the downloaded themes, simply drag and drop the themes file inside the .themes. But before that, let's go ahead and install the font. Then go to .themes in your home directory, and then simply drag and drop all of these GTK themes. And after that, do the same for .icons. Go to .icons, and then simply drag and drop the icon pack inside the .icons. And now, search for themes and go to Themes, and simply click on Advanced Settings, change the themes. And now let's go ahead and wait for the terminal to finish its work. So we're going to be using Nautilus File Explorer for this customization. All right, now give it a few minutes so the theme can show up properly for the File Explorer, as you can see. Okay, after that, go inside the project file and you're going to find the wallpaper. Simply apply the wallpaper. And then, search for Conky Manager and simply apply the Conky themes. For that, go to Settings and then select the Conky folder, which is inside the .config. Select Conky, click on Open, click on Add, and then refresh, and then simply apply the Conky themes. Okay, so after I have applied the Conky themes, let's go ahead and do some customization. On the panel, and add a new panel, and simply drag these icons to the top and to the center, and make it a little bit more clean and minimal. Make the icons a little bit bigger. And then go to Applets, and then search for Cinnamonu. So we're going to install Cinnamonu, and use this menu for this customization. So click on Add, and then simply drag and drop that menu to the center of the panel. And I can remove the old menu now. And after that, let's configure the menu a little bit. So let's do some customizations, some tweaking here. Now let's go ahead and add some applications to the panel or dock. And finally, let's do some customization on the terminal. Alright guys, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this customization, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate this. And thank you so much for getting the membership. This really means a lot to me. If you got the membership, you're going to have access to all the older files and also the newer files that we will upload in future as well. So you're going to have lifetime access if you got the membership. So thank you so much for getting the membership. We really appreciate that.